Shackled, cuffed, and in a blue jail suit, Ethan Colley appeared before a federal judge this afternoon. He let his attorneys speak for him, and they spoke publicly for the first time after the detention hearing.
Everybody understands the magnitude. He certainly understands the magnitude.
Even though Colley was friends with Connor Betts, the man who killed 9 people in the Oregon District shooting, Nick Guinness made one thing clear about his client.
He played no part in what the shooter did, which is senseless.
Investigators say Colley bought body armor and a firearm accessory for Betts and kept them in his apartment. But his federal criminal charges stem from a firearm application. He denied he was a drug user. Prosecutors say he was a daily user of marijuana and used and even grew psychedelic mushrooms. Judge Michael Newman expressed concern over those allegations, mental health issues, which he wouldn't elaborate on, and whether Colley was a danger to himself or society.
And so the judge was taking a hard look at that because I think that, as the judge said in court, the allegations in the complaint give really good reason to think that that could be an issue.
I don't think that he does pose a threat to the community or to himself. You know, he's lived a law-abiding life. I certainly understand the nature of the charges that are against him. You know, he signed a form. He purchased a handgun. That gun wasn't used in any type of violent offense. I don't have a concern.
And the other concern the judge had, where would Colley live if released from jail and placed on house arrest? It came out in federal court today that his landlord does not want him back in the Kettering apartment. His mother said she would take him in, but she lives outside of Montgomery County on the Ohio-West Virginia line. The defense says they have another address where he could live. So right now, pretrial services is investigating that address. The detention hearing will resume tomorrow afternoon at 3:30, where a judge could then make a decision. Reporting live in Dayton, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.